My motto is, with God, all things are possible.
Amen.
I started the organization with a donation of $500 through a patient that I took care of in the hospital. And I didn't have the organization started when the donation came, but I looked out the window and it was raining very hard, and I decided immediately to call the organization R.A.I.N. And we call ourselves the R.A.I.N family. We are an extended family, and our interest is to keep people at home as long as possible. My name is Beatrice Castiglia Catullo, and I'm the founder of the R.A.I.N organization. And I give God all the credit for giving me the inspiration and the vision, and surrounded with so many wonderful people. I call them my angels that make R.A.I.N to what it is today. And thanks to our wonderful staff, our great board of directors, and everyone that's helpful. Wonderful to see all my R.A.I.N children and of course Anderson. I think that's what's given me a long life, with the happiness that I get from being with all of you, and the wonderful work you're doing. So I love you very much.
Thank you.